Here's another simple modification you can do to your Workmate. These are soft jaws, so basically foam covered jaws, so that your parts don't get scratched. You're needing to grip parts that have already got finished surfaces. Construction's very simple, it's just a couple of pieces of scrap wood glued together, and then the foam is stuck to the wood using an impact adhesive. For storage I made these 3D printed brackets. Keeps the part out of the way when it's not in use, and it doesn't stop any of the function of the Workmate. You can still fold it down without any issues. I hope this gives you some ideas of things that you can make for your Workmate to make it even more useful than it already is, and yeah, definitely something that I found really useful. Thanks. I moved these mounting brackets so that now they're not in the way when I fold the Workmate up. This area here is what it sits on the floor when it's folded up and the legs are folded in, so I couldn't mount it there, so I've now mounted it here. So when it's open, it's there like that, and that will work a lot better than where I previously had it. It means I can still pack the Workmate away when it's not in use. Here's a close-up of the brackets. I'll include a link to the part on Thingiverse, but obviously the brackets are made for the pieces of wood that I had, so you might need to modify them. If you want to learn about my other Workmate mods, then check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.